We have a 2014 Isuzu NPR, 14,500 GVW, gross vehicle weight. Good body. There's only one little damage over there on the outside of the box, but it doesn't reach inside. Tires are okay for a little bit. It's gonna need new tires at some point soon. Lift gate, galvanized lift gate. This is the box. No leaks. A little bit of damage on the floor here from the floor jack. That is kind of normal for these trucks. It has been detail cleaned. It gets a little dusty on the outside when it sits at the yard. Interior in good condition. There's only one little tear here on the driver's seat. It has 198,000 miles. It is diesel, 5.2 liter. Replaced the clips on the sun visors. Replaced the glove compartment. Replaced the parking brake assembly. This is all new. Cost about $2,000 for the parking brake assembly. It has a new turbo. The turbo cost $2,500. There's no rust on the truck. It came from New Mexico. No rust on the truck. Those tires on this side are pretty good. So the truck runs and drives great. Doesn't have any problems. Like I said, we replaced the handbrake assembly. We replaced the turbo. It has a brand new turbo. So that's going to take you very far for a long time. And it was fully serviced. So oil change and filters, fully serviced. You don't have to do anything to the truck. No check engine light, and this is the service record. Lift gate is working.